Can you trade Forex on Tradingview? Trading Forex on Tradingview is not only possible, but also a popular choice among traders due to the platform's advanced charting tools and extensive features. Tradingview is well regarded for its comprehensive technical analysis capabilities, offering a wide array of indicators, drawing tools, and customizable charts that cater to both novice and experienced traders. By the way, if you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. To trade Forex on Tradingview, you must first connect your Tradingview account to a compatible broker. Tradingview has partnered with several brokers that support direct trading from the platform, such as Oanda, FXCM, and Forex.com, among others. This integration allows you to execute trades, monitor your positions, and manage your account seamlessly, all within the Tradingview interface. Once your account is linked, you can place orders directly from the charts, which means you can analyze market trends and make trading decisions in real time without needing to switch between different platforms. This not only streamlines the trading process, but also helps you to react quickly to market changes, which is crucial in the fast-paced world of Forex trading. Additionally, Tradingview provides a social aspect where traders can share ideas, strategies, and analyses with a global community. This feature allows you to gain insights from other traders, learn new strategies, and even follow experienced traders to see how they approach the markets. Overall, Tradingview offers a robust platform for Forex trading, combining powerful analytical tools with the convenience of integrated trading. Whether you're a beginner looking to explore the markets or an experienced trader seeking a more efficient way to trade, Tradingview provides a comprehensive solution that caters to a wide range of trading needs.